Sam, I know that was you.
We got an investigator. Yo, let's go get Sam.
I dare you.
Oh my God! Oh shit!
Bro. Did anybody see that? Did anybody hear that? Sam, I need a baseball bat ASAP.
I have a baseball bat, but it's in the car.
You piece of crap. Let's get the beer. Oh, we're making some juice. Gosh. All right.
We got Mountain Dew.
All right.
Not now.
We gotta grab a wooden spoon. We got a wooden spoon as a protection. Sammy.
Let's try to trick him between one of us and open it.